In this video tutorial, we're going to cover all of the ways you can add contacts to your account. Since we'll be covering a few different methods, feel free to jump around using the play bar at the bottom of this video to find the method that works best for you. To see all of the different methods, click Create Contacts. Let's start with adding a single contact manually. This lets you add one contact at a time, including their name, email, and other contact fields. First, enter their email address and then add the other details. Add multiple contacts will let you enter several contacts at once or copy and paste data from other apps. Upload from a file will let you upload your contacts from a CSV, Excel, or text file. Just click to find your file, and then you'll be asked to match your fields to our fields. If you click the drop-down, you can create a new custom field for any custom data you have on your contacts. When you're finished, click Continue. From here, you can choose which contact list you want to add your contacts to. Make sure to confirm that you have consent to email these contacts. You can also add tags to your contacts by clicking this drop-down here, and then click Import. Don't have email addresses for your contacts and only have phone numbers for SMS messaging? You can also import contacts with only their phone number. Go through the same steps to upload a file, but make sure you have an SMS number field and an SMS consent date field on your file. At the last step, click the box here to confirm you have permission to text these contacts, and then click Import. That covers all of the different ways you can add contacts to your account. If you need help importing your contacts, feel free to contact our support team.